Welcome to the AI Shorts PAL training video series. In this video I am going to show you how to use Video Editor. Go to the left menu and click on My Shorts. Now you are on My Shorts section. Click on Edit button. You can edit your shorts in our exclusive video editor. You can see all the editing tools in header section. You can create perfect thumbnail of your video by our thumbnail generator.
Nature, in the broadest sense, is the physical world or universe.
Just play the video and take the screenshot at your desired part of video. You can add text to your video. Add text, position, opacity, size, color of text. Nature is a British weekly scientific journal founded and based in London, England. As a multidisciplinary, you can reverse your video by using our reverse video option. You can rotate your video by using our rotate video option. You can rotate your video according your desired direction. You can speed up or speed down your video by our speed video option. You can trim your video by our trim video option. You can add watermark any image on your video by our upload image constant overlay option. Just drag and drop your image to your video, double tap on it and it will be added to your video. Nature is a British weekly scientific. You can also add a fed-in fed-out image to your video by using our upload image for fed-in fed-out overlay. Just add fed in and fed out time, drag the image on the video and then double tap on it. It will be added to your video. Other functionality of Video Editor will be covered in another video. Thanks for watching the video.